are voices still calling across the sea, and they're all crying across the oceans, and they're crying across the lands, and they will till we all come to understand that none of us are free, none of us are free, none of us are free, one of us is chained, none of us are free. Well, there are people still in darkness, and they just can't see the light. If you don't say it's wrong, then that says it's right. We've got to try to feel for each other, let our brothers know that we can. We gotta get the message, send it out loud and clear. None of us are free, none of us are free, none of us are free, one of us is chained, none of us are free. It's a simple truth we all need just to hear and to see. None of us are free, and one of us is chained, none of us are free. Now I swear your salvation isn't too hard to find. None of us can find it on our own. Now we've got to join together in spirit, heart, and mind, so that every soul that's suffering will know they're not alone. None of us are free. None of us are free. None of us are free. If one of us is chained, none of us are free. If you just look around you, you're gonna see what I say, that the world is getting smaller each passing day. Now it's time to start making changes, and it's time for us all to realize that the truth is shining bright, bright